Hello, hello. Welcome back to MotiveX English, the podcast where we learn English together, one simple conversation at a time. I'm here with my friend, and we are so happy you're here with us today.
Welcome, everyone. As always, we will speak clearly and slowly. We are here to help you listen, understand, and feel confident. So, take a deep breath, relax, just listen.
Perfect. So today we have a wonderful big topic. It's a topic that is, well, it's everywhere. Can you guess?
Everywhere. Is it air?
Good guess, but it's bigger. We breathe the air on it. We live on it.
I know. It's the ground? The floor?
Closer, it is the ground, the water, the air, the sky, all of it together. It is our planet. It is Earth.
Earth. Yes, a perfect topic. So, for all our listeners, today we talk about Earth. We will use simple words. We will talk about the colors of Earth, the parts of Earth, the animals, the plants, and how we can take care of our home.
Wonderful. Let's start very simple. When you close your eyes and think of the word Earth, what is the first picture in your mind? What do you see?
Okay, I close my eyes. I see green. Lots of green. Green trees, green grass, green hills.
Green. That's a beautiful picture. Green is the color of life, of plants. My first picture is different. I see blue.
Blue? Tell me more.
I imagine our planet, Earth, seen from very far away, from space. And from space, Earth is a beautiful blue and white ball.
Oh, yes, I understand. The astronauts, the people who go to space, they see this. They call Earth, let me think, the blue planet.
Exactly, the blue planet. Why is it blue, do you think?
Is it because of the sky?
Good connection. But from space, you see the sky differently. The big blue color is from the water. Our planet has a lot of water. In fact, more than 70% of the Earth's surface is water.
70%? That is a lot. So more than half, much more than half, is water. Oceans, seas, lakes, rivers.
Yes, so from space, all that water reflects. It shows the color blue. That's why it looks blue. And the white parts? The white parts are clouds.
Amazing. So we have the blue water and the white clouds. And my green? Where is my green?
Your green is there. The green is the land, the parts that are not water. We see green land, brown land, white land on the mountains, but from very far away, the blue is the strongest, the most powerful color.
I like this. So our planet Earth has two main parts, two big types of surface. We can say land and water. Land and water.
Let's repeat those words, learners. Land, L-A-N-D, land. It is the solid part, the ground. We build houses on land. We walk on land.
And water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. The oceans, the rain, the river. We drink water. Fish live in water.
Perfect. So Earth equals land plus water. And around all of it, we have...
The sky. Or we can also say the atmosphere. That is the air that surrounds the Earth.
Yes, we don't see the air, but it is so important. We breathe the air. Birds fly in the air. The atmosphere also protects us, like a blanket.
So let's say it together. Our Earth has land, water, and air, or atmosphere. Good.
Now let's talk about the land. The land is not all the same. There are different kinds of land, different landforms. That's a good word. Landform, the form or shape of the land.
Okay. For example, a mountain. A mountain is very high land. It is tall. The top of a mountain can be pointy or round.
Yes, like Mount Fuji in Japan or the Alps in Europe. And sometimes between mountains there is a valley. A valley is low land between hills or mountains. It is often green and has rivers.
Mountain, valley. Then we have flatland, very big flat land. We call this a plain or a field. Farms are often on plains.
And if the land is very dry with lots of sand and very little rain, that is a desert. Deserts can be hot, like the Sahara, or cold.
And another one, a forest. A forest is a big area with many, many trees. Trees, plants, animals. Forests are the lungs of the earth.
The lungs? What does that mean?
Lungs are the parts in our body that help us breathe. Forests help the earth breathe because they make a lot of oxygen, the air we need.
Ah, beautiful explanation. So land has mountains, valleys, plains, deserts, forests, many types.
Now let's talk about water. You said 70% of Earth is water. Where is all this water?
Most of it is in the oceans. Oceans are huge, huge areas of salt water. There are 5 main oceans: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic.
Big, big, big water. And smaller than oceans, we have seas. Seas are also salty, but often partly surrounded by land, like the Mediterranean Sea.
Then we have fresh water, water that is not salty. We can drink it. This is in lakes, like Lake Baikal or the Great Lakes, rivers, like the Amazon River or the Nile River, and underground in aquifers.
Also, in the very cold places at the North Pole and South Pole, we have ice, frozen water. Huge areas of ice are called glaciers or ice sheets.
All this water is always moving. The water cycle. Water evaporates from the ocean, becomes clouds, falls as rain on the land, flows in rivers back to the ocean. Amazing system.
Earth is a very smart planet, I think. Now, on this land and in this water, there is life. So many different kinds of life.
Yes, the animals and the plants, all the living things. The word for all the animals in one area is wildlife. Forests have wildlife, oceans have marine wildlife.
Let's name some. On land, we have big animals like elephants, lions, bears, giraffes. We have small animals like rabbits, squirrels, butterflies.
In the water, we have fish, of course, whales and dolphins, which are mammals like us, sharks, octopus, coral.
And the plants, from tiny moss to giant trees, flowers, grass, bushes. Plants are the base of life. They use sun, water, and air to make food.
This brings us to a very important word, ecosystem. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community. It is all the living things, plants, animals, in one place, plus the non-living things, water, air, soil, rocks. They all work together. They are all connected.
For example, a forest is an ecosystem. A pond is an ecosystem. Even a small garden can be a small ecosystem. Everything is connected. If you remove one part, it affects the other parts.
That is a key idea for understanding our Earth. Connection, balance.
But we humans are also part of this ecosystem. We are part of Earth, and we have a big impact, a big effect.
We do, and this is an important part of our conversation. We need to talk about taking care of the Earth. The word for this is environmental protection, or we can say conservation.
Protecting our home. Because sometimes human activity can cause problems. It can hurt the balance. For example, pollution.
Pollution, a big word. It means making something dirty or harmful. Air pollution from cars and factories, water pollution from plastic and chemicals, land pollution from garbage.
Pollution is bad for wildlife, for plants, and for our own health. Another problem is deforestation. That means cutting down too many trees, destroying forests.
And climate change. This is when the whole planet's weather patterns change because the atmosphere is getting warmer. This causes more storms, melting ice, problems for farmers.
These are big problems, but the good news is we can help. We can be part of the solution. Even small actions are important.
Yes, let's talk about simple things anyone can do. First, reduce, reuse, recycle. This is called the 3 R's.
Reduce means use less plastic, use less water, turn off lights. Reuse means use something again. Use a shopping bag many times. Use a water bottle many times. Recycle means put paper, plastic, glass in special bins so they can be made into new things.
Wonderful. Another one, save energy. Turn off the TV, computer, lights when you leave a room. Maybe walk or bike for short trips instead of using a car.
Save water. Take shorter showers. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Every small drop helps.
Respect nature. When you go to a park or forest, don't leave trash. Stay on the paths. Don't disturb the animals.
And learn and share. Learn more about the earth. Talk to your friends and family about these ideas. When we know more, we can do better.
That's the spirit. Protecting Earth is not a job for one person. It's a job for everyone working together, a global community.
Thinking about all this, the blue oceans, the green forests, the amazing animals, Earth is really a beautiful, special place. We are very lucky to live here.
We are. It's our only home. So let's appreciate it, let's care for it, and let's enjoy its beauty. Go outside, look at the sky, feel the air, listen to the birds. That's English too, experiencing the world.
Beautifully said. Okay, listeners, we have talked about a lot of words today. Let's do a very quick review together. Repeat after us if you can.
Earth,
Land and water.
air or atmosphere,
Mountain, valley, forest, desert.
ocean, river, lake,
Wildlife,
ecosystem.
pollution.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Perfect. You did great. Remember, you don't need to memorize all this today. Just listen to this conversation a few times. The words will become familiar, like friends.
Yes, be kind to yourself. Learning is a journey. And thank you for choosing to learn about English and about our wonderful planet with us today.
We are so happy you joined us. If you enjoyed this, please tell a friend. You can find us on all podcast platforms as MotiveX English.
And remember, every small step in learning and every small step in helping the Earth makes a big difference.
Thank you and goodbye.
Take care of yourself and take care of our planet.